Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Welcome back to our social class. In today's class, let's learn about ancient excavation. Do you know what is excavation? Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of the earth. Right? All forms of archaeological excavations require great skills and careful preparation. Excavation can be classified based on the purposes like planned, accidental, or rescue. Most excavations are properly pre-planned and their purpose is to find buried evidences from the site. Okay, tell me, who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is a person who study the history of humans and the places through excavations and analyze the artifacts. Excavation gives us a glimpse of the past. Some interesting examples from the world are pyramids in Egypt. Are you aware of this? Yes, when pyramids were excavated, it was found that small pyramids were made for queens with personal chapels in it. They found pyramids with huge structures, which was built for the burial of royal family. Skeletons found in the pyramids gave information about the average height and the age of the people. Next, let's move on to Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground and the city was well planned with proper sanitation system, proper well, and ways to direct wastewater to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great baths, and protective walls. It was found that the city and its civilization was very advanced for their time. Archaeologists use evidence to choose and dig site. Then they use scientific sampling techniques to select where on the site to dig. They observe, categorize, and interpret what they find. This is how excavation is carried out. Almost pre-planned, right? Next, let's learn about artifacts. Do you know what is artifacts? Yes, the things that archaeologists find during excavation, such as gold ornaments, stones, copper vessels, and much more. That's it, students, about excavation. Let's learn about excavation sites in Tamil Nadu in our next class. Hope you all understood. Okay, let's have a quick recap before we end. Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of the earth. Excavation can be planned, accidental, or rescue. Archaeologist is a person who study the history of humans and places through excavation. Pyramids are in Egypt. Small pyramids or made for queens. Huge pyramids were made for the burial of royal families. Skeletons gave information about average height and age of the people. Indus Valley civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. Big bricks were found underground in these areas. Proper sanitation system, wells and closed drains, advanced granaries, great baths and protective walls were found here. Okay, that's it students. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.